I mean, anything an artist can dream of, it's down there. My name is Tim Nelson. I'm a local sculptor in Bemidji, Minnesota, and I've been a part of the Sculpture Walk for about 10 years or so. It gives us a really unique downtown area, and a lot of people from the Twin Cities and even further talk about coming here, and the fact that we're such an art-centric town, and it's also good for the local businesses. You know, when I first moved here, the downtown was sort of going through a revitalization. You know, we go down there on the weekends, there's always foot traffic down there checking out the sculptures, which also brings people into the local businesses. A lot of the local businesses, they do donate to us. I mean, some of them actually let us hang our sculptures on their buildings. It's just, I think they all enjoy it because it brings business to them. It's a great thing as someone who makes sculptures and has always enjoyed art to have in our downtown, and people look forward to it every year. When the new art goes up, our install crew always has people stopping by, and they say that's their favorite part of the year. And it's just a great thing to keep people coming to the downtown area. You know, it gets me involved with other creative people in town, and you get to meet all kinds of interesting people that are making stuff you would never dream of.
So the Sculpture Walk sort of originally was about bringing more people downtown and having more arts and cultural involvement downtown. My name is Mitch Blessing. I'm a professor of technology, art, and design at Bemidji State, and I'm also a native Bemidji kid. I grew up on Grace Lake. I went to high school here, and I've always been sort of an artist and a designer. I think businesses can recognize that if tourists especially, but if anybody comes downtown walking around looking at the sculptures, the chance of them coming into their stores, Chocolates Plus, clothing stores, goes up, gets greater. If there's more traffic, it's better for everybody. 100% I'd say the reaction of the public is positive. Everybody I hear from loves it. With very few exceptions, someone might say something like, I really don't like that piece. And I think that even like a response of not liking a piece of sculpture or a piece of art is actually a positive response. Because if there's something out there and people react to it, having a reaction and creating a discussion about it is really what we're trying to do. And it reinforces that the waterfront downtown Bemidji is still a gathering place. But it grew to be a lot more than just that. Not only bigger than downtown, there's sculptures out at the airport and at Paul Bunyan Communications and other places. And we're looking at opportunities to put them along like the lakefront, all the way around the lake on the DNR trail. But still, like, the focus I think has been building community. And it's hard to say what having art and artists and musicians and having events, cultural events, can do for the community. But I think that our small downtown still is a center, a cultural center for this much larger community. Clearbrook and Red Lake and White Earth and Cass Lake and Grand Rapids and Park Rapids. We have a center of gravity here in Bemidji. And so I think the Sculpture Walk is a very visible, tangible part of that.